everybody. Baba Two Pops breaks on a Sunday. It is July the 4th. We are breaking bomb box full size helmet. We randomed up our 66 remaining box numbers. We got box number 21. We did random teams for it on the left. We have already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody, gave them all a chance to trade. Had a few offers, nothing went down. Well, it's about educating new customers, guys, as well. It's not about the fact I'm trying to talk people out of trades. It's the fact that, somebody who's a fan offers, again, Peyton Manning for, something that's not even on the checklist is, again, just, educating people. I did the same thing for every one of you guys, so. All right, here we go. We've already randomized customers, alphabetized them, gave them a chance to trade. There's not a one of you who can say you stepped in the room. I didn't offer you some kind of advice, guys. Here we go. We don't tell anybody about that or this. We just, again, we don't say, hey, this is this or whatever. We just sort of explain, hey, this isn't always the best idea or that's not always the best, but it's up to the people. Here we go, guys. I couldn't see, so I have no idea. Well, bam, going to be a New York Giants hit. Hopefully the kid starts panning out here, man. Hopefully this is his season. He's finally got a few people around him. If Barkley can stay healthy, they just signed Galladay. But going to be the Daniel Jones Eclipse Authentic, folks. Beckett card and certification. There's your card. Bam, for the Giants. Well, that's gonna be a Pat hit. Pat on a little bit of a roll this series. Well, not this series. Finished off last series, I should say. And then now starting to get back on track for this one. I actually think he hit the Daniel Jones out of last series, too, only he hit the F7. We got a 4. We do take a 4 or higher. We pulled one of Pat's out. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Bam. We got Larry and Dog. 9 and 10 on the qualifiers. We're only 5 boxes into our series, folks. Tons of big hits left. Haven't even really touched our monsters there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops break.